Hi guys, welcome back to this week's video. Hold on, guys. Here I am, right here. Welcome back to this week's video. And today I kind of have some bad news. I will not be posting as much music videos I've been posting. That's what the bad news was. I'm going to give you a tour of my new house. It's not really finished, but I wanted to give you a close-up with what's going on. Okay, so yes, I am in build mode. We are going to put fence around here. There was another girl helping me build this. So yeah, so here it is, here, and then there, and then here, and then here. Yeah, that's all it is basically right now. I have to take off this place, and yeah, I actually kind of helped on the kitchen. I didn't do actually much because she was kind of strict a little bit, but you know, she wasn't really strict. She was like a teensy bitty strict, and I was just like, can I do the kitchen? And she just like didn't answer, and I was just like, bro, answer. I want to do the kitchen, and I only did this part, like only put this here and this here, like popcorn and the ice cream and the coffee and the smoother blender, and I put this here. Yeah, this is the kitchen right here. It's kind of cute. I really actually like it. Oh, I forgot to color this, but we gotta worry about the problems, bro. Yo, those problems later. So then while you walk into here, you see this plate. Oh, dang, why does Bloxburg makes your thing takes over your computer while you're in build mode? That's just weird. So right here is where you walk in, and I really like this, but I accidentally messed it up right here. Yeah. Here's just a little sitting area, and I really liked it. The upstairs not done. That's why I'm only doing the downstairs. Maybe I'm going to give you a close-up of how it'd be looking. Right here is the storage area where you keep all the food there and get the snacks and stuff. Here's the bathroom. So, stop! Okay, so they have a toilet, sink, and that's all. And then, right over here, we got a shower / tub. Okay, now we're going upstairs. We're moving up the stairs, and we have this right now. As our finished up, we have our bedroom. This is my room, by the way. I don't know why she put like that stuff. Wait, this is the kids' room. I forgot. My room right here. Oof, come on, move right here. But I thought this was going to be the kids, so I had to move this over here. Yeah. Dun, 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 dun. I thought she knew what I was thinking about, but she didn't really, honestly. Okay. See, I ran out of money. My budget is down low. It's just too low for me, and I cannot deal with that. Well, that's basically it. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the grass thing right here. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't see the video as how to get more money in Bloxburg by working in the pizza place, I'll link that video down below in the description. And that's basically it. Bye! Wait, hold on. I actually didn't realize she didn't color right there, you know. And now I'm kind of sad. Okay, whatever. That's all for my video today. That's all. Literally, that just takes 4 minutes. So maybe I'm going going to just work for a minute for you guys. I'm sorry, like, you're just like, bro, why is she making us wait that long? Like, geez, let me leave. Okay, but I'm going to have a live stream, again, soon one day, soon, again. Last time I used this other thing, I'm about to show it, show you it. It was the live stream, and you guys did not come. I was super sad. Let me just go see something. This is the live stream. It was pretty great. 4 viewers. Oh my gosh. I didn't even see those viewers. Okay, so basically, let's go to work. Because this video is only 5 minutes long, and I never make a video that's 5 minutes long unless it's a music video. So let's make this video longer by going to work, and you guys watch me work. I'm sorry that they haven't had any role plays lately. The live stream was a failure because I didn't know you're supposed to like share your screen like I don't know. So yeah, here's the thing. I was playing Imposter, and I didn't know you guys could see it, so yeah, that's impressive. You guys can watch this at your own time, and yeah, even though you guys couldn't hear it, I know you couldn't hear it, but that's all for this video. If you did like it, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!